Sensibly Frugal Living. I hope you're having a really good day. Today I've got another nifty little tip for you, and it involves fabric conditioner. Any fabric conditioner, your favourite smell preferably, and you'll see why. Spray bottle and some water. We are making linen fabric freshener with our own fabric conditioner. And you can, when you buy it at the shops, it can be quite expensive, the linen freshener. So this tip saves a lot of money. First I'm going to 3/4 fill this with water. So I'll crack on and do that in a moment. I've got my water, just cold water. And my fabric freshener. Now I'm going to have to try and not to spill it. That'll do. Oh, it already smells lovely. And then we're going to give it a really, really good shake. And there you have it. That's it. That's your fabric freshener. Obviously you could just use water and some essential oils. I don't keep essential oils, I don't have them, but I have this, so I wanted to give it a go. Also, always label your bottles if they've got chemicals in them. Fabric freshener. I love these little sticky labels. There we go. It's only going to be me using it, but just in case. And now it's ready to go. And you just spray it on areas you wish to smell nice. Oh, that smells lovely. Already smells lovely. It's perfect for cushions and bedding. I go around my house like this. And it's brilliant for stinky shoes. You can just use it as a bit of air freshener as well, really, couldn't you? It really is that simple. A bit of water, fabric conditioner, softener, and a spray bottle, and you've got some fabric freshener, and it does smell lovely. My house is smelling lovely. So please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of my content, and have a lovely day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.